In this episode, we will talk about how to create interactive and impressive sales chart. Like the chart it is shown here, it is the revenue per month. Like in the last 3 years, 2015, 16, and 17, how much is the revenue per month? And if you cursor the mouse over here, if you hold the cursor over here, then it will show it to you that how much is the revenue per month in each of the months. Like it's shown here in April, and you can also segregate per year, and it's really interactive type of chart. And so how you can design such type of chart, and how you can like create such type of charts. So in this episode we will learn about creating an interactive revenue per month chart. Assalamu alaikum, I'm Ishtiaq Khan and welcome to Grow with Ishtiaq Khan YouTube channel. In this channel, we'll talk about opportunities and growth and how you can put your creativity on the table. If you are a student, fresh graduate, early level professional, or a mid level professional, then this channel is just for you. Now, in this episode, we'll talk about how we can work with the data and the data that is available with us and create interactive charts. And we'll start first in this episode, we'll start about creating the sales chart. And in the sales chart, we will talk about the revenue earned by the revenue earned per month in the past 3 years, in the 3 years 2015, 16, or any type of year that are mentioned, and how we can create such type of chart. First of all, we have this data. This is a raw data, and we have to convert this raw data into a table. And so how we can convert this raw data into a table? Select all the columns, and then press Control Shift and the down arrow key. Press Control Shift and the down arrow key, and all the data that is available in this sheet will be selected. Then you can go and then you can insert the format as table, and it will be formatted as table. And my table has headers also, so it will be formatted as table. So this is your table, and also you can give the name to this table, and I will give the name to it, that sales data. This is the name of the table, and I will also change the name of the data. And now how you can create the revenue per month sheet and revenue per month chart. And so first of all, I will uh, create a new sheet and will give its name revenue per month, for giving it. And then I will click the insert pivot table. Now it's like we have, or we can reference the table or the range we want to create the pivot table. And this is the, like I have written I created a table, and this table is sales data. And click on, and all the columns, all the fields that are in that table appear here. And then you can select the tables of your choice and create a pivot table. And in that pivot table you can then create the charts and analyze the data that you want in a way that you want. And first select the date, and then select the revenue, sum of revenue. So it's a total revenue in 2015, 2016, 2017. And I click on the plus sign, then it will show us the per quarter, and in quarter one, in quarter two, in quarter three. And if I click on this again, the plus sign, maximize it, and then it will show each the months in each quarter. But I do not need quarter, so I remove the quarter and I only need months. So per months, and this is the pivot table. Now this is the sum of the revenue in each of the month. And then you can click on the click here on the pivot table and then click on the pivot chart. The charts will appear here, and I want to, like, you can create a chart like this. You can create any type of chart that you want, but I would say that the line chart, and line chart with the this type of line chart is, it's a good one. And now this is the line chart and revenue per month in each of the months. And after that, we can change the chart type the way we want, and you can also to delete all these title, and also delete, hide all these button on the chart, so you can have some extra space. You can increase the chart area, you can close this, and this is the sales chart for you. This is the revenue per month chart for you. You can change the format, you can change the colors, you can format the plot area, you can change the way you want, and we will have some more changes in it. And you can format the plot area, and you want to have no fill, and format the chart area, and you can have no fill. And no fill, it's not looking so good, so let's bring it again, and you can format the chart area. And so this is all about, and we will work with some more elements and in a way we want. And also you can change, format the drop lines, you can have solid, you can have no lines, you can have gradient lines, and you can way the way you want. You can have automatic, and you can also change the colors, and you can also change the format drop lines. And you can work, you can play with these things. And cap type should be flat, should be square. You want some square type, you want, click here, and you want round type, joint type should be bi-level, and you can play with it the way you want. So this is all about the, you can create this chart and can work with it. You can increase the levels, you can format the axis the way you want, and you can format the series also. The axis should be on tick marks, and labels should be specify intervals. And look at this. So you can customize, you can format the chart area the way you want, and you can play with it. So this is all about the chart for the revenue per month. And in the next uh, video, in the next episode, we will talk about how to create the map chart, how to create the chart like this one, like the map chart in Microsoft Excel, and what you need to do. And it's the revenue per state, that is the revenue per month, and how to create a map chart with the revenue per state. And like the interactive visualizations, and how to uh, play with it, and how to do the magic with it in Microsoft Excel to create interactive and impressive visualizations of your data. So this is all about the creating the revenue per month chart in from your data using the pivot table and pivot chart, and also playing with the formatting, play with the customization, and customizing the way you want. Now in the next, so this is all about the episode number 3. So stay tuned and watch the complete series to learn about each and everything on how to create interactive and impressive customer success dashboard in Microsoft Excel. Do you want to move your career to the next level? Then subscribe to my YouTube channel, Grow with Ishtiaq Khan. Here you can find videos related to career and personal development, learning new skills, and how you can transform yourself to grow and attract next big opportunity is waiting for you. Also, press the bell icon to get notified of the new videos shared on this platform. Also, share the video with your friends and colleagues because sharing is caring. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.